What if Pluto or Mercury replaced our moon? Thoughtful face, Milky Way, stick around to find out. If Pluto replaced our moon, we'd see a dark, frozen dwarf planet in our night sky, new moon with face. Its nitrogen ice surface would reflect minimal sunlight, making nights much darker. Plus, Pluto's gravitational pull is weaker, so tides would just about vanish. Now, if Mercury swapped places with our moon, it'd be bright and glaring. Sun. Mercury's proximity to the sun means it's scorching hot. Picture that in our sky. Also, Mercury's stronger gravity would cause super intense tides, causing massive coastal flooding, ocean wave. Imagine that tidal chaos. So, while it's fascinating, changing our moon would wreak havoc on our planet. Appreciate our moon tonight, full moon with face. See ya in the next video, satellite, rocket.
What if I told you Halley's Comet is coming back in 2061? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why this is so special. Halley's Comet only returns every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. The comet is visible with the naked eye. It has fascinated humans for centuries. Mark your calendars for 2061. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Did you know Saturn isn't the true Lord of the Rings in our universe? In the next few seconds, you'll discover who's really wearing the crown. Meet J1407b, an exoplanet with rings that make Saturn's look tiny. Its rings span over 200 times wider than Saturn's. Imagine rings so colossal you'd spot them from Earth if J1407b were in Saturn's place. The star EJW discovered this giant in 2012, redefining our cosmic views. Its 37 rings are massive and dense, some stretching millions of kilometers. Experts believe moons could be forming in these rings right now. Saturn might be famous, but J1407b is the true king of the rings. Keep exploring the mysteries of our universe. Hit the like button if you found this as mind-blowing as we did. What if I told you Jupiter could have been a second sun? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why. Jupiter is often called a failed star. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like the sun. But here's the twist, it never got big enough to ignite nuclear fusion. If it had, our solar system might have had two stars. Just imagine the night sky with two suns. This failed spark left us with a giant planet instead. Fascinating, right? So the next time you look at Jupiter, remember it's a stellar wannabe. Isn't space full of surprises? Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more cosmic wonders.
3 space disasters that can wipe out our world at any time. First, there are huge rocks in our solar system, and if any large asteroid starts heading towards Earth, we won't be able to do anything. And we know very well what will happen to us, just like it happened to the dinosaurs. Next, when a big star's life ends and it collapses into a black hole, it emits gamma rays, and if those rays target our world, Earth's atmosphere will be destroyed. Next, as I have mentioned before, there are many black holes roaming in the universe which hunt stealthily, and if even one of them enters our solar system, everything will be destroyed.
Astronomers just found the closest known black hole to Earth, and the interesting part is, you can actually observe this black hole with a simple telescope. Gaia BH1 is a black hole located about 1560 light-years away from us, and it's part of a binary system with a star that is very similar to our Sun. This star orbits the black hole every 185 days at a distance of about 1.4 astronomical units. The discovery of Gaia BH1 is amazing for several reasons. First, it's the first unambiguous detection of a Sun-like star in a wide orbit around a stellar mass black hole in our galaxy. Second, it's the first detection of a black hole that does not depend on the mass of the star or the inclination of the orbit, which are usually sources of uncertainty or error. Third, it's the first detection of a black hole that does not involve any mass transfer or accretion disk, which are usually sources of emission or variability. This discovery opens up new possibilities for finding more black holes in the future, and the best part is that you can see it for yourself. Just look for the constellation of Taurus. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.
There's a region of space that contains as much water as 140 trillion times all of Earth's oceans combined. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest mountain in our solar system. At 16 miles high, it's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. The closest star system to us is Proxima Centauri, At 4.25 light years away, it would take 80,000 years to reach using the technology currently available. According to NASA, the Voyager 1 spacecraft launched in 1977 could take as long as 28,000 years just to exit our solar system. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole, specifically the black hole at the center of the Messier 87 galaxy. Everything you took from me.
What if we lost gravity for just 5 seconds? Imagine everything floating around you. Cars, people, buildings, all airborne. In these few seconds, chaos ensues. Birds wouldn't know which way to fly. Rivers would spill into the sky. Loose objects everywhere, posing dangers. Think of the havoc in space stations. Astronauts fully unanchored. In schools, children floating midair. In hospitals, patients in critical conditions. Imagine being in an airplane during this time. The consequences? Frightening. Our world, turned upside down. The unseen force we take for granted. A brief moment, yet so impactful. Would things ever be the same again? Gravity binds us all. For just 5 seconds, a glimpse of a world without it.
Have you ever wondered how far humanity has reached into space? In the next few seconds, you'll discover mind-blowing facts about Voyager 1. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth. It was launched in 1977 and is still sending data back to us. Voyager 1 has traveled over 14 billion miles. It carries a golden record with sounds and images of Earth. This record is meant to communicate with potential extraterrestrial life. Voyager 1 entered interstellar space in 2012. It has provided us with breathtaking images of our solar system. It will keep traveling through space long after its power runs out. Did you know it's expected to keep going for another 300 years? Hit the like button if you found this fascinating. Subscribe for more incredible space facts.
Imagine this, it's a normal evening, and you're looking up at the sky, enjoying the stars. Suddenly, a bright flash streaks across the horizon. An asteroid the size of a skyscraper is hurtling toward Earth at thousands of miles per hour. It's heading straight for us and there's no time to evacuate. What do? This is not just a movie plot, this could be a reality. So how do we protect Earth from an asteroid on a collision course? Introducing the Planetary Defense Plan. Right now, scientists are developing incredible technologies to protect us from space threats. Imagine a fleet of spacecraft, specially designed to intercept and deflect asteroids. We could launch a mission to change the asteroid's path, or even use powerful lasers to break it apart before it reaches Earth. This is our plan to keep Earth safe and secure. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, we've got a plan. We're watching the skies and we're ready to protect our planet. Stay curious, stay safe, and subscribe for more.
Before the 1920s, it was generally believed that there were no galaxies other than the Milky Way. But in 1925, astronomer Edwin Hubble changed everything when he discovered that the universe is much larger, with lots of galaxies. In the 1990s, the Hubble Space Telescope provided unprecedented views of the universe, showing billions of galaxies in different stages of evolution. Now in 2023, JWST captured images that shattered our understanding of the age of the universe.